Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on KDA. On a daily time frame chart, KDA has already broken out this down channel. You can see that before that it broke down this descending triangle, then we had a big drop, and while moving to the downside, the price formed this down channel, and after the breakout we had a nice pump but got rejected by this downtrend and resistance that the price found here on 7th of June 2024. We got rejection here, rejection, and finally we have broken out this downtrend line resistance. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for KDA that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members, and so far this signal has produced almost 12% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me begin with my most recent trade signal for KDA that I shared with my members almost 2 days ago, and that is a harmonic bullish reversal gauntlet pattern that KDA has formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this was a complete trade signal, the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price nicely moved up from this buying zone. First it dropped down again inside this buying zone, then we had a very nice reversal and read the sell target zone here, and so far it has pumped almost 11%. And before that we got almost 31% pump, and this was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that KDA formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone, and this was almost 31% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of KDA, and first of all let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, first it was moving inside this descending triangle, we broke it down, then we broke out a channel, and after the rejection by this downtrend and resistance, you can see that we had a big drop, and for a while the price moved below this support. That was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel that was here at 40 cents approximately, or 41 cents, and the price bounced. Despite this long spike, the price could not break it down and reversed back, and finally we have recently broken out this downtrend and resistance. You can see that this resistance was found here on 7th of June. We got rejection here, rejection, and finally we have broken out this downtrend and resistance. Therefore, I'm expecting that now soon it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. By the way, this time KDA is trying to break out this resistance, a quite long-term resistance of 68 cents. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 68 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and for a few weeks it has been breaking as a resistance here as well, and therefore again it is breaking as a very strong resistance. And by the way, over here we also have a short-term support here at 60 cents as well, that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and for a few days it had been breaking as a resistance here as well, and here as a support, and now for the past few days it is also breaking as a support. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 90 cents. And before that at 85 cents we have a quite long-term resistance as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 85 cents has been previously breaking as a support here, and support here, and now it is flipped into a resistance after the breakout. You can see that we got rejection here. Now on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, but still the price did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that long-term technical target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.